Hello internet friends, welcome back to Free the Tomatoes. Today I have an update for you on how Pan That palette is going. Just to refresh, I am panning the Nude Dude Volume 2 by theBalm. So without further ado, let's get into the progress. So first I'm going to start by showing you what my palette looked like when I started. And now this is what my palette looks like now. So as you can see, I hit pan on both Fearless and Flawless. So the reason that these were pretty easy to go through is because Fearless was my all over lid shade that I was using, and I actually started using Flawless as a contour shade. So that's why that was pretty easy to go through. And then also another one, just to kind of give you some tips and tricks, Feisty here is a nice blush shade. So that's the one I'm thinking I'm probably going to hit pan on next. And so far, I think these shadows are okay. They're nothing really to like rave home about, but they're not bad. The one thing I am noticing, because they are small, or because they are quite small pans, they're actually deeper than what you think they are. So the amount of times that I used them compared to my BH Cosmetics palette, I was like, oh, when am I going to hit pan on these? But the BH ones are quite larger in diameter, so they're not as deep, whereas these ones are smaller in diameter, so they're quite deep. So that was kind of a nice surprise, so that way you don't feel like you're getting too ripped off, because if you look at it, they look like small pans. But surprisingly, you get more than what you think you do. So my goals for next time, like I said, want to hit pan on Feisty. And I think, yeah, that's about probably it for wanting to hit pan, but I want to kind of make more progress on the shimmer shades, including Fabulous, which can work as a highlighting shade as long as you like warm undertones for highlighters. I want to make more progress on Faithful, Fit, Firm, and Flirty. These four colors over here I'm having a little bit harder of a time with, just because they are darker, but they can kind of work as eyeliner shades, even though these three here are a bit more of that sparkly kind of finish. So that is my update on the Nude Dude Volume 2, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for checking in.